Dirt Smart. Tips and techniques for irrigation technicians, helping you save time and money.
Infinity Stealth D Kit. Stealth D Dual Trajectory Kit. Assembly and nozzle adjustments.
Stealth D Accessory Kit. Stealth D Accessory Kit and its parts. First, insert the multi-purpose tool, pull up your riser, and place the riser hold-up tool. You'll then need to take your inner nozzle from the 6 p.m. position to the 8 p.m. position. Then remove the cap. Remove the 3 screws holding the cover on your head. And take the rubber ring, lining it up with your pilot valve. And then you put your retainer ring on. And replace with the 3 screws that were provided in your kit and screw down. You'll take your turf cup and retainer and place it on your original cap from your riser. You'll line up the tab with your riser hold-up tool tab on your cap. And then you'll take the new supplied screw and put it through the screw hole. You will then place that back onto your riser assembly and screw it down. And insert your multi-purpose tool, lift up, removing your riser hold-up tool, and you can lower it back down in place. Place the sod in the cup and then install to the grade as you see in this picture. Dirt Smart. Tips and techniques for irrigation technicians, helping you save time and money.